Cminds Pro can be combined with a Micropayments plugin to charge users for different actions on your Q&A page. It can be integrated with PayPal or other payment platforms. Setting it up is easy. First, go to the Micropayment settings. To give each user a wallet, in the General Settings tab, check the box Assign a single wallet to each customer. You can set an initial points amount to each wallet. The default currency is US dollars, which you can change. To set the points value in the currency of your choice, go to the Points tab. After you've set the points value, you need to enable this point system. In the Cminds Pro settings, go to Micropayments and define the wallet behavior. For example, you can charge points for viewing answers. To encourage participants, check Reward Best Answer and set the points reward. You can use shortcodes to create a visual wallet for the users to manage their points. This is what the front end would look like. In each thread, existing answers will be locked, and to unlock it, the user's wallet will be charged. We hope this tutorial helped. Creative Minds.